Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. First, let's gather your tools and prepare the area. You'll need a new cabin air filter, which you can often find for around $15 to $25, saving you money over dealership prices. A Phillips head screwdriver might be helpful, though many models require no tools at all. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit. Now, let's access the filter. Begin by opening your glove box and removing all its contents. On the right side, you'll see a small dampener arm. Gently pull this arm free. Next, carefully push in on both sides of the glove box simultaneously. This action releases the two stops that hold it in place, allowing the glove box to swing down and detach from its hinges. Set the glove box aside. With the glove box removed, you'll see the cabin filter housing. There are typically two clips on the bottom of this cover. Pinch them to release and remove the cover. Carefully pull out the old filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter. Your new filter will have a similar arrow, which should point in the same direction, usually downwards or towards the floor. Slide the new filter into the housing, ensuring it sits correctly. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the filter housing cover, making sure the two clips snap securely. Now, align the glove box with its lower hinges and push it back into place. You may need to squeeze the sides slightly to get the stops to clear. Reconnect the dampener arm on the right side. Close the glove box and you're all set. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home just as clean as your car's cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.